Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to see how to install Adobe Photoshop Sketch. If you're on an Android powered device, then you can open the Play Store. If you're on an iOS powered device, such as the iPad that I'm using to demonstrate this lesson, then open App Store. Once the App Store is open, you're going to have to search for Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop Sketch. So you can tap on the search button on the bottom right side. Come here, click there and search for Adobe Photoshop Sketch. And I see in the suggestion, so I'm going to select that. Now we have the option of installing Adobe Photoshop Sketch. So I'm going to click on the download button. And it's going to install Adobe Photoshop Sketch. The installation is complete, so I'm going to click on Open to open the Adobe Photoshop Sketch. Alternatively, you can come to your home screen by pressing the home button and you will have your Adobe Sketch icon shown in your screen. So if you want, you can group it with other groups you have. For an example, I already have a group, so I'll drag it to the next screen. And you see I already have a group for all the drawing apps that I have on this iPad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag these and drop into this drawing group. Okay, now I have the Adobe Sketch grouped into this drawing group. It's easy for me because if I want to do some commission work, I can directly come and open this application from here. So let's begin. Let's open the Adobe Sketch, tap on it and open it, and it's going to launch. And the first thing you need to do is you need to sign in with your Adobe ID. So I'm going to click on sign in with your Adobe ID option, and it's going to log me in without any problem because I already have the Creative Cloud app installed. Since I have this app installed, the login details were retrieved from this app, and it's used to log into this Sketch application. If you don't have the Creative Cloud application, this app will provide you with the option to log in. So if you don't have a Creative Cloud account, you can go to adobe.com and create a new Creative Cloud account. For an example, let me show you how to create a Adobe account. So let's search for Creative Cloud account creation. And you can go to select the first option and sign up for an account here. Or alternatively, the Adobe Photoshop Sketch app will also give you an option to create a new account. Alternatively, you can also use Facebook and Google to sign in without having to fill up all these complex forms. So you can directly use these directly sign into your Creative Cloud account that is powered by Adobe. So let's come back. Now you see right after I logged into the application, it has actually synced all my images from the Creative Cloud. So this specific set of images that I have drawn on a Sketch application on different devices will be automatically synced across. Let's say for an example, I have an iPad and I have an iPhone. So when I draw something on my iPad, and I'll close it, save it, and when I go back to my iPhone and if I open the Adobe Photoshop Sketch app, that same art will be available in the iPhone to edit. So that is the power of having a Creative Cloud account. So you will have the drawings shared across all your devices. So before jumping into the next section, So let's stop here and let's start the next section and explore the UI a bit. Thank you. Bye for now.